All right, now let's get back over to our chief meteorologist, Chris Holcomb. We do have a weather impact alert, and this is because of the rain coming.
We're going to see rain moving in, light stuff tonight and tomorrow morning, and then it's going to be bands of heavy rain tomorrow night and then through the day on Wednesday. And that's why we have this weather impact alert in effect for Tuesday night through Wednesday. With those rounds of heavy rain, there is a flood watch in effect for areas north of I-20, including the North Metro area and into parts of North Georgia. And even if you're not in the flood watch, you still need to be aware of, in some of those bands of heavy rain, there may be some ponding on the roadways. Here's a look at that flood watch. Now notice out to the west along I-20 and northward, that's where we have the counties colored in green. And then to the north and east of us, roughly along the I-85 and 985 corridor, that line to the north, that's where we have this flood watch in effect. It's in these areas that we can see 1 to potentially 4 inches of rain, and there may even be some localized areas that pick up even more than 4 inches of rain. Now, the rain is going to help with this, and that's the pollen count. Today, that count got up to 573. That's the highest count that we've had so far this year. That's in the high range. If it was 1,500 or above, that would be extremely high. But it's mainly for tree pollens from elm, juniper, almer, unident tree, and maple. Mold is also in the high range too. But again, the rain will help to wash away some of those tree pollens that are out there right now. It's going to start off generally with some of this, the light rain that's out to the west, some of that trying to push into Floyd County right now. And this really isn't that impressive, but just again tonight, a few of those raindrops around. Here's a live look right now, our tower cam from Decatur looking toward the city of Atlanta. A good coverage of clouds, but they're on the horizon, enough breaks to give us some of that nice color there as the sun will officially go down just after 6:15 tonight. Here's the forecast track. I want to time out those bands of heaviest rain. You can see tonight how some of the light rain starts moving in overnight and into tomorrow morning. Just a few spotty showers, and then going into lunchtime, some of the lighter showers around, but then there's that band of heavier rain that's going to slide in to northwest Georgia late in the afternoon Tuesday, moving through the metro area during the evening hours here on Tuesday night. That slides through. Still on Wednesday, additional rain to start the day, and then another round of heavier rain will start moving in again for the afternoon hours and early evening. See some of those bands of heavy rain? We'll be watching that also for the potential of maybe some thunder and lightning, and a low risk that a couple of those storms on the west side could turn strong there on Wednesday. So again, that weather impact alert Tuesday night and through the day on Wednesday. The flood watch is in effect through early on Thursday morning, as the rain will be ending on Thursday. On Friday for Valentine's Day, partly cloudy skies. That'll be a nice dry day for you to go out on a date with your Valentine. And then additional rain coming in Saturday and Sunday. We'll watch that for a storm risk. And then Monday, partly cloudy but cooler with lows near freezing and highs near 54. Here's our weather wow moment for tonight. This is taken by Leslie Harper up at Lake Lanier. That water looks nice and calm, even though we have all the clouds around. Thanks, Leslie, for sending that to us. Leslie is part of our 11 Alive Weather Impact group on Facebook. And when you're on Facebook, if you want to be a part of that group, in the search bar, just search for 11 Alive Weather Impact Team. When you find our group, ask to become a member and answer the membership questions, and you can join us.